Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Okay, so my kids, do you remember me? Who am I? I am your English teacher and my name is Miss Anila Raza. Okay, so my little kids, as you can see on the screen, what's there? There is the comprehension book. So what does it mean? It means we are going to do a comprehension today. So take it out from your bag and open it. Okay, but before that, I'll tell you again that what is comprehension. Now I hope all of you just remember. What's comprehension? Who is going to tell me? Comprehension means to understand what you read. Comprehension means to understand what you read. Okay? And what were the 3 steps that you need to follow to do a comprehension? The first one was read the passage. Okay? First, you have to read the passage carefully with open eyes. Okay? Number 2, what you have to do? You have to try to understand it. Okay? Whatever you are reading, you need to understand that. For what? Because you have to answer the given questions after it, okay? At the end of every comprehension, there are few of the questions that you need to answer. And you will only be able to answer those questions if you understand and read that passage carefully. Okay? So it is very important to read the passage carefully and to understand each and everything written in it. Okay? Now, oh my God, what's this? Tiger? No. Lion? No. Then what's that? It's a cheetah. Now why is he here? Because our comprehension is the big cat, cheetah, okay? So today we are going to do comprehension number 6, and that is the big cat, cheetah, okay? It's too scary. Now let's just read about it. Okay, it's on page number 11 and okay. So here is the text that we have to read and here are the questions that we have to answer after reading this text. Okay, so let's just begin with our text. But before reading it, do you people know anything about cheetah? Just review in your mind that when you have just went to the zoo and if you have seen it there, or else you have read about it somewhere, your parents have told you ever about it. Do you know anything about cheetah? Just think in your mind. Okay, so those who knows anything about cheetah can compare their knowledge, their previous knowledge with this knowledge that we are going to read. And those who have not heard anything about cheetah before this, just keep these things in your minds, okay? So let's just begin with our text. Read along with me, everyone. Cheetahs are large spotted cats that live in Africa's grasslands. Cheetahs are large spotted cats. Spotted means they have the black spots on it, right? Spotted cats. Oh, they are calling cheetahs as a cat. Cats also look like it, right? So, cheetahs are large spotted cats that live in Africa's grassland. Where they live? In Africa's grasslands. Oh, wow. Okay, now they are the fastest of all the land animals. Now, what does it mean? That the animals on the land, there are so many animals living on the land, right? But cheetahs are fastest of them. Cheetahs are fastest of all the animals living on the land. Wow, this is an amazing thing. Now, how fast are they? Let's just read the next line. Cheetahs can reach speeds of 97 to 113 kilometer per hour. This KM stands for kilometer, okay? Cheetahs can reach speeds of 97 to 113 kilometer per hour. They can just run at the speed of this kilometer per hour, okay? They can cover this much distance in an hour. That's great. Now, the next line. Although they are fast, like 80 to 90 meters, cheetahs can maintain that speed only for short distances at a time. Now, what does it mean that although they are the fastest of all the animals, okay, as they can reach about 97 to 113 kilometers per hour, but they can maintain this speed only for a short distance. They cannot run at the same speed for so long, okay? They can run at this speed only for short distances. That's not good, right? Now, cheetahs have excellent eyesight. They hunt and prey upon other animals like hares, impalas, wild beasts, calves, and gazelles. Okay? Now, what is written here? The cheetahs have excellent eyesight. They have excellent eyesight means they can just look and hunt for the food very quickly and excellently. Okay? They hunt and prey upon other animals like, okay, hunt and prey upon means they eat the animals like hares, impalas, wild beasts, calves, and gazelles. Have you seen any of them? Have you just listened these names before this? No? Okay, I'll show you these animals, okay? Now, we have done with it. Now, let's just review our story again. Here are the cheetahs. Where are they? Do you remember where do they live? Tell me, come on. They live in Africa's grasslands. These are the Africa's grassland where there's so many grass. So much grass over there. So, where do they live? In Africa's grasslands. Oh, wow. They're just running so fast because cheetah is fastest of all the land animals. See, it's running too fast, right? Cheetahs can reach speed of 97 to 113 kilometers per hour. They can cover this much distance per hour. Now, moving further, What do they hunt and prey for? Hares. Which animal is this? These are hares. They're looking so cute, right? Now, which animal is this? Any guesses? You people have to guess it now. Yes, which animal is this? This is impalas, okay? These are impalas. Cheetahs also hunt these impalas, okay? Now, moving to the next one. What's this? Wild beast. See, how do they look? Wild beast. Cheetahs also hunt these wild beasts. Then, oh, they're so cute. These are calves. Calves. Okay, so cheetahs also hunt them. Oh, this is really sad. They look so cute. Now, the next we have gazelles. Cheetahs also hunt these gazelles. They look like impalas, right? There's a little bit difference there in between them. Okay, so these were the animals that a cheetah prey and hunt for. Okay, so now let's just review the main points of our cheetahs. Where do they live? They live in Africa. Where do they live? Repeat after me. They live in Africa. Then the next good thing about them is they have excellent eyesight. They have excellent eyesight. Okay. The third best thing about them is they are fastest of all. They are fastest of all the land animals. Okay, they can run so fast. Then the last one is they hunt and prey different animals. Okay, so keep these 4 things in your minds forever. Okay, where do cheetahs live? They live in Africa. They have excellent eyesight. They are fastest of all the land animals. And they hunt and prey different animals like hares, impalas, wild beasts, etc. Okay? So now moving to our exercise. First of all, you have to write your name here, write your full name over here. Then write today's date over here. Then grade. Grade means your class, okay? Now the big cheetah exercise. Now here are the questions. Let's just begin with it. Question number 1 is, which continent do cheetahs live in? Now, who's going to tell me? Where do cheetahs live? I've told you 3 times. In which continent do cheetahs live? Cheetahs live in the continent of Africa. Cheetahs live in the continent of Africa. Okay? Very good. I hope you'll write in very neat writing, okay? And I'll ask you these questions when I'll meet you in the class, okay? In which continent do cheetahs live? You should know. Cheetahs live in the continent of Africa, okay? Now, moving to the next question. How does a cheetah look like? Yes. Now, which was the other animal that cheetah looked like? Yes, who knows it? Cheetah look like a cat. Cheetah looks like a cat because cat is also spots on it and cheetah is also a spotted animal. So cheetah looks like a cat. Okay, so moving to our next one. Question number 3. Are cheetahs the fastest of all animals? How fast can it run? Now, here are the two questions, okay? First one is, are cheetahs the fastest of all animals? And the second one is, how fast can it run? So first we have to answer in yes or no, that yes, they are fastest of all, or no, they are not fastest of all. And then we have to tell how fast they can run. So how will you answer it? Yes, comma, they are the fastest of all animals, as they can run at the speed of 97 to 113 kilometers per hour. Okay, I repeat myself. How we have to answer it? Yes, they are the fastest of all animals. Here we are done with the first question. Now from here we have started the answer of second question by joining both the sentences with as. As they can run at the speed of 97 to 113 kilometers per hour. Okay? I hope you all have got it. Now, question number 4. How far can a cheetah run at full speed? Now, as we know that cheetah can maintain this speed for a very short distance, right? So what's that distance? We have to tell it here. That how far can it run on the same speed? So here we have the answer. Cheetahs can run about 80 to 90 meters at their full speed. Cheetahs can run about 80 to 90 meters. They can maintain this speed in how much distance? 80 to 90 meters at the full speed. Okay? Now, question number 5 is, what do cheetahs prey upon? Means, what do they eat? What do cheetahs prey upon? Do you people remember? There were so many animals there, right? They were cheetahs prey upon the animals like hares, impalas, wild beasts, calves, and gazelles, etc. Okay? I repeat myself. Cheetahs prey upon the animals like hares, impalas, wild beasts, calves, and gazelles, etc. Okay? I hope you all have just done it and you all have got it whatever I have just explained to you. So, remember these points in your mind, okay? I'll ask you about cheetah and I'll ask you to write a composition on it. Share this information with your parents, with your siblings, and with your friends as well, okay? Thank you so much for listening to your teacher. Now we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care a lot.